Hi everyone, I'm Taylor from the After Sales team, and today I'll be showing you how to change and align your drawers and door fronts on your brand new Newtech vanity. We have a wide range of different vanities, some with drawers and some with doors, and some with both doors and drawers. At times these need some realigning and changing, so here's how to do so. Let's start with drawers. If for any reason your drawer fronts get damaged in transit or an accident happens on site and you need a new one, this is how you change it over. To remove the drawer front, we need to do the following steps. Step 1. Open the drawer front fully. Step 2. Disconnect the gallery rails. Step 3. Remove the cover caps. Step 4. Push the blue buttons on either side of the drawer box. Pull up and out on both sides to remove the drawer front. Step 5. Take the pin out. Step 1. To remove the drawer box, find the 2 grey clips located on the bottom of the drawer box. Push these inwards on both sides at the same time and pull the box up and out. Step 2. Align drawer box with the connectors on the drawer front. Make it click by pulling down the drawer box onto the connectors and attach the gallery rails back on. Step 3. Flip your drawer box upside down and put the pin back in. Step 4. To put the drawer box back in, place it on the runners in the vanity and gently push it close until you hear a click. You can check this by opening and closing again. Once you have your new drawer front back on, you may need to realign it and make some adjustments so that it sits just right. This is the easy part. Step 1. Open the drawer. Step 2. Remove the cover caps. Step 3. To make adjustments up or down, use the cogged wheels to turn each side. Step 4. To make adjustments left or right, use a screwdriver to adjust the screw on the right hand drawer side. Step 5. To make adjustments in and out, slide the square gallery rail cover backwards and use a screwdriver to turn the gallery rail adjuster. If you don't have drawers, then you might have doors that you want to change, so just follow along. To remove a door, complete the following. Step 1. Open the door. Step 2. Lift the catch at the back of the hinge. Step 3. Lift the body of the hinge plate. Step 4. Slide the body of the hinge forward. To adjust your door alignment is just as easy. Step 1. Open the door. To adjust the door left or right, use a screwdriver to turn the front screw clockwise or anti-clockwise until the alignment is straight. To adjust the height of the door, release both hinge plate retaining screws anti-clockwise, top and bottom. Slide hinge plate up or down to correct position and tighten hinge plate retaining screws. Step 4. To adjust the gap between the cabinet and door, using a screwdriver, turn the back screw clockwise or anti-clockwise until alignment is straight. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you get the perfect look on your Newtech vanity. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our team on 0800 728 662 or email us at sales@newtech.co.nz and we'll be happy to help.